Oh, g'day folks, I'm John. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Olympus XA camera. This is the original Olympus XA, which was released in 1979. It was released from 79 to 85, and it had a Zwiku 35mm f3.5 lens, and it's such a compact little camera, and it's very rugged even though it's plasticky. It's made well, and the lens is super sharp. You get really nice photos from it. And it's actually a little rangefinder style camera. So you do have a little focusing patch in the viewfinder. It's very tiny. You need sort of a high contrast image to see it. Sometimes it's very hard to see when you've got foliage or you're photographing something with busy areas in the image, so sometimes it's hard to see. But you also have like a scale up here, which sort of, I don't know if you can see it, but it shows you the distance. You can change from about 0.9 of a meter up to infinity. It's a fully manual wound camera, so you wind the film using this lever here after every shot, and when you're finished you can rewind using the rewind lever up here. It does have aperture priority shooting, so you can adjust the aperture settings on this side, and they go all the way from 2.8 to 22, I believe. Yeah, so you can adjust the aperture, and inside you'll find a shutter speed needle when you look through the viewfinder, and that'll tell you the desired shutter speed for the aperture that you've chosen, so you don't overexpose the film. Or it's also for artistic purposes, if you want a bit of bokeh in your image, or to control the amount of motion blur. So all in all, it's a very compact little camera. I love it. I take it with me everywhere. I take it on vacations. It's much more compact and easier to carry than my, say, Leica M6 or any of my medium format cameras. This was probably the best camera that was released in the XA series range. It gives you a lot more flexibility. It's a great little point and shoot camera. It's a rangefinder style camera, and it's a lot cheaper than what you could get from a Contax T, or your Sheikah T4 or a Minolta TC1, which are all premium point and shoots. And although the images are brilliant, they are quite pricey, whereas this you can pick up for under $200 US. Most of the XA series cameras came with a flash or a series of flashes. The A11 was the most popular one. It basically screwed onto the side of the camera, as you can see here, and it was powered by a one AA size battery. And that the flash had two sorts of settings: an ISO film speed of 100 at a distance of about 2.5 meters with the flash, and if you were shooting more sensitive 400 film, you get up to 5 meters on that particular flash. You can adjust the flash sensitivity via a little switch which is located near the window of the flash itself, and that can be set to 100, 400 or full, which is full manual. Let me know in the comments if you own an Olympus XA or you're thinking of buying one. I'm also releasing a video on the Olympus XA4 shortly, so if you're interested in that, please subscribe and like this video, and thank you for watching.